Okay, this is what I'm going to do today. This record has been sold for 12 quid. So I'm going to post it off to this person here who's bought it off me on eBay. So the first thing I'm going to have to do is get some card because I want to sandwich this between two pieces of card. So that's what I'm going to do first. Now, first thing I'm going to do is mark out at least an inch right round the album cover so the album cover doesn't get damaged. So the record. So if I use this as a marker, and what we'll do is we're going to cut out a template. So get the sharp knife, and we're going to cut this out. Now I'm going to see if we can try and do another template. Now what I've done is cut out 6 pieces of card because I'm going to sandwich the record between the 6 pieces of card, then tape them up together to form a nice stiff kind of nice stiff cover case for the record so it don't get damaged. But I'm going to sandwich it between so now I'm going to wrap up the record in the bubble wrap here. So I took a sheet of bubble wrap. I have security marked this album as well, just to prevent anybody from swapping it. So if I just give it a double fold, that's it, and then cut this, and then we're going to just tape it up. So if I fold that over that, I'm going to get a piece of tape. So now I've put the album in the bubble wrap. So now I'm going to take out 3 cardboards. That's 3 cardboards, and I'm going to place the album on the bottom cardboard. So there's the 3 there, and then I'm going to get the other 3 and place it on top. See, so it's like a complete sandwich that we got here, like so. So now I'm going to tape the one side. Just a little bit of tape, not much, just to secure the cardboards together. Same on the other side, like that, just to secure it. I'll redo it properly in a minute. Same again. Yeah, same on this side. Right, and that's just to secure it. See, that's just only to secure it. Then we're going to get the bubble wrap. Extend the bubble wrap. Now I'm going to extend the bubble wrap out. I'm going to fully cover this now. So I want the bubble wrap to end about 3/4 of the way. Then we're going to fold it down like so. Only want one lot of bubble wrap, not much. Then we're going to just cut along here. That's it. One lot of bit of tape. Then we'll take this and we'll fold this side, hold it up to here. Bit of bubble wrap again. A bit of tape. And tape that side. Fold it up again. Tear off a piece of tape. Mess that bit up. Right, so tape up a little bit of tape. I'm going to fold the bubble wrap again. Just simple little fold, nothing much. And that's it. And we're going to tape that there. See, and now we're going to properly tape up the whole of this part. Now, this is how it looks when it's fully taped up. It's about 2 inches thick with the bubble wrap, and it is very, very stiff and well protected. So now I'm going to put the address label on the front and a return label on the back. So now I'm going to put the address label in this document enclosed envelope or label. So the address label of the person's going in here. So we just put that in there for now. Put it in the center like that, like so. I'm going to put the return address here. I'm going to do take one label off, put one on the front there and one on the back. That's it. I'm just going to write my return address. So let me do that. And then what I do to normally secure the label on there, just put a piece of tape. Put a piece of tape right across the back. That's it. And then we're going to do one for the front. And then stick that down. And that's it. And that's how you do a record to send to the post.